Right from day one, this place always felt like home. From the minute I walked in here, I knew this is the place I needed to be. There's something in the air here. You can tell people work very intentionally and with purpose, and they're trying to accomplish something more than just to make a paycheck. And we often get the question, why Jackson Center, or why are you still in Jackson Center? And the thing you have to understand is the workforce here is second to none. Their commitment to quality, craftsmanship, work ethic, and the history of this company and this town make it a place that we would never want to leave even if we could. It's amazing, an 83-year-old company, but a lot of people don't know that we're still in business. And we've really worked hard to help overcome the understanding or the thinking that Airstream is a company that went out in the 50s or 60s. But a lot of what we do comes down to knowledge. We call it tribal knowledge. It's having done the job over and over and over and refining that craft. And we have generations here. I love the fact that we can be part of this Made in America resurgence, although we've never made anything anywhere else. Airstream has always done a lot of things to help acknowledge the hard work of the folks that are employed here, whether it's company picnics, giveaways of hams and turkeys at holidays, or the bonuses we hand out. All of it really goes to our desire to recognize the work people do here every day. A lot of these are traditions that were started a long time ago in the company, and I love the fact that we can carry those on. People join here and they feel like they've joined something that they can belong to for a long time. People here care.
I guess being from a farm community, you grow up with good work ethics, community values. You bring that to work with you.
I think our growing up experience, the time we spend dedicated to doing our job, reflects on the products we're putting out the door, which reflects on what the products the United States is putting out today.
There's nobody that's an Airstream hater, and I love the fact that this brand enjoys universal goodwill. It all adds up to make my job the best in the world. That sounds like a cliche, but I love my job. It's a lot of fun.